Now see children, the second case, when starting balance is credit or favorable balance as per bank passbook. So favorable balance or credit balance as per passbook means what? In your bank balance, bank account, there is amount deposited. So if when balance that is favorable or credit as per passbook is taken as the base to start arrive at the balance as per cash book, adjustments are made for entries causing difference, and here also you have to add and subtract some item. See children, cash book items and passbook item to be added and subtracted is the same. Only difference is whatever you have subtracted in cash book, that you have to add, and whatever you have added in your cash book, that you have to subtract. Did you understood? So this was your added item. In passbook, what you have to do? You have to do opposite of what you did in cash book. Okay. Here you can see check issued but not presented for payment, you have added. But when you record, when you are doing in passbook, that item you have to subtract. So exactly opposite of what you did in cash book, you are supposed to do here. It's very simple. Just you have to start the balance from passbook, and whatever item you have subtracted in cash book, that you have to add, and whatever item you have added in your cash book, that you have to subtract while doing case 2. It's a very simple problem. Okay. So the same problem what we have discussed as per cash book, that we will do with passbook. Here the starting point should be balance as per passbook. Last case we did balance as per cash book. Now let us start with balance as per passbook. What is the balance as per passbook given to you? See, bank statement means passbook showed a credit balance, that means favorable balance 15,650. This should be a starting point. Okay, so 15,650 your starting point, and when you so end point should be 15,200. See, 15,200 should be your end point. Okay. So children, bank balance as per passbook, credit balance I wrote as 15,650. Then items to be added. See, the same procedure, but the thing is, what we did with the cash book, whatever we have subtracted over here, that item will be added over here. Okay. These items will be added over here, and whatever you have added in your cash book, that way you have to subtract it. So let us see what we have to do. You wrote the balance first, then check issued to Rohan for 6,000 and Daniel for 3,840 were not presented for payment. So if you are looking into the case 2, the items to be added and subtracted. So you can see check have been issued but not presented for payment. In this case, as per balance as per passbook, this item is to be deducted as for the pattern. So you have to deduct that item. So check check issued but not presented for payment, Rohan and Daniel. This should be added together and put it in the outer column. See, it is a subtraction side. In cash book you have added this item, but in passbook you have to add. Whatever you do with cash book, the opposite of that you should do with the passbook. Okay. Next item is bank charges. Bank charges, what did you do with bank charges in your cash book? You subtracted it, but here bank charges should be added. Now next, what? Nitish directly deposited some amount to Dinesh bank account, but it was not recorded in cash book. There you added it. Okay, 8,160 you have added in cash book, but what are you supposed to do with passbook? This item should be subtracted. So check directly deposited in bank, that should be subtracted over here. Next case is check, two checks, one from Shyam and another from Kailash, were collected by the bank in first week, but it was not banked. So in what you did with the check was you have subtracted it in the cash book. Here you have to add those check deposited but not yet collected. Okay, so next is as per the question is interest credited by the bank. So if you look into the format, interest credited by the bank, see what are you supposed to do? Interest credited by the bank, here you are supposed to subtract it. As per the format, you are supposed to subtract it, but in cash book you have added it, but in passbook you have to subtract it. So see, check interest credited by bank, you have to subtract 450. Same process, add this together, you will get 18,000, add 15,650 with 18,000, you will get 33,650, and add these three items together, put it in the outer side, 18,450 you will get. Now subtract 33,650 with 18,450, the last amount what you will get it 15,200. What you will write? Balance as per passbook with credit balance. Sorry, it's not passbook, actually it is cash book. Okay, instead of cash passbook it should be cash book, and the balance what it shows will be debit. Okay, so this is how you have to pass the entry. Cash book is exactly opposite of passbook. So if your starting balance is passbook, what you will get is the cash book. If your starting balance is cash book, what you will get is the passbook. Okay, so I hope you have understood this problem. Now let us conclude today's session. Today we saw two cases when starting balance is debit or favorable balance as per cash book, and second case is when starting balance is favorable or credit balance as per bank passbook. So you saw that cash book is exactly opposite of passbook. Doing the problem is a very simple task. Only remember the different transactions related to addition and subtractions. If you remember that, then this problem is very easy. So do practice some problems from your textbook. Write down the notes in your accountancy notebook. Do attend the test paper. Meet you in the next class with two different cases. Till then, goodbye.